Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Math Matters. This is Sabrina with you today and we are going to talk about chapter 5. Chapter 5 is all about what? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it is all about multiples and factors. So, welcome back to your class. Though I'm not in the class yet, but I am really missing you guys. I'm missing the class. Are you missing me and the classes? Please let me know in the comment section. So chapter 5 is all about multiples and factors, but basically is just the base knowledge. Because in this chapter you are going to learn about HCF and LCM as well. Today we are going to dive into the magical world of multiples. A multiple is what you get when you multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, and so on. Think of it like skip counting. For example, multiple of 3 is 3, 6, then 9, then 12. Isn't it jumping? The numbers are actually jumping from one to another, right? So let's practice together. For that, I'm going to go back to the copy. So in the page number 26, you are going to have multiples. As I already told you that we are multiplying the simple numbers or main number by 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. Let's find out the multiples of 7. How to do that? Let's multiply 7 with 1. You'll get 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are, we are going to find out, by the way, we are going to find out 5 multiples. 2, 3, 4, now 5, up to 5, okay? So you can see these all numbers are multiples of 7. 7 is the smallest number. The multiples are either equal or bigger than them. Remember these words, okay? Multiples are supposed to be bigger or equal to the main number. Don't forget that. It's a knowledge and you're going to keep it in your mind, right? Okay. Now multiples of 8. Same process is going on here. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16, right? Isn't it? Now 8 threes are and C. We are using comma here. Exactly. When we are writing, we are using comma. It's not full stop. Remember about that thing. And the white one, that means this one. Let me show you. White one, they ask you to write down 10 multiples of 5, 7, and 8, and 9. I'm going to do only 2 of them. So you can see I have done 2. Now, it is your duty to practice with 5 and 9. Oh, remember, I just find out 5 multiples. Go ahead and find out 10 or 15. Okay? It consider this one as a fun work. Don't forget it. Math is actually fun if you understand it, right? So after that, from page 26, I'm going to exactly go to page 30. Let's flip things around with factors. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly, leaving without any reminder. So from page 30, we are going to go for factors. So think it like dividing the number. I already told you, right? So 7 is a prime number. What is prime number? I'm going to tell you on the other video. Okay, don't forget that. So for now, 7 cannot be divided without 1 or 7 itself. So 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. Here we have 15, right? So 15 can be divided with 1, right? If you divide 15 with 1, you are going to get 15. If you divide 15 with 2, oh, are you counting? Don't forget that 15 is an odd number and 15 cannot be divided with 2. Okay? We need to skip that 2 and we are going to go for 3. Can you divide 15 with 3? Oh my God, yes, of course. Now, if you divide 15 with 3, you are going to get what? It is 5, right? Now, 4 cannot divide 15 and 5 is already there. That means our U shape is completed. When we are doing this, we have to keep it in mind that repeated number cannot help us. Like if I go for 5 here, then what will happen? 5 into 3 and then 15 into 1. It doesn't help. We will not repeat any number here. So after doing that, this 2, we are going to write down what? I'm dividing the page, okay? Factors of 7. First 1 and 7. It has only 2 factors. So you are going to do that, okay? No more, no less. And here, factors of 15 is supposed to be how? 1, 15, 3, and 5? No, 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 no. We are not going to do that. Always remember to write in a U shape. So we will come from there, hold it here, then we will go this way, then we'll go this way. That means we are writing from 1, 3, coming down like, then the right side, 5, and 15 itself. So 15 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors, and 7 is having only 2 factors. Okay, let me tell you. When any number is having only 2 factors, they are known as prime numbers. It has significant meaning. Okay, and the next pages, when we go, we will learn about that one. And for now, just to remember that when any number is having more than 2 factors, they are known as composite number. 15 is a composite number, 7 is a prime number. Don't forget that. Okay, now let's go for the next. This, 36 and 70. Oh, it's 47. Now, again, let's go through the practice another time. Okay, again, dividing 36 with 1. Oh, remember another thing. Every single number can be divided with 1. So you don't have to worry and you just can go through and write down this one as a first one. Okay, never ever forget that. Let me ask you something. Do you think that 36 can be divided with 2? Huh? Tell me. Yes, 36 can be divided with 2. So we are going to start with 2. And the answer is supposed to be 18. Okay? 2 18s are 36. Now, let's think about 3. Can 3 divide 36? Yes, think. Think and tell. You can tell, right? Okay. So, 36 can be divided with 3 and we are going to get what? 12. See? Fascinating, right? If you know the times table, then what will happen? You can do it very easily. They are like puzzles, okay? Puzzles is fun. Can you divide 36 with 5? You cannot. Why? 5 can only divide those numbers who has 0 and 5 at the end. Remember that as well. Okay? These are some of the knowledge I'm giving you from the upper classes so that it can help you all the way along. Okay? Never ever forget that. So 5 cannot divide 36 because it doesn't have any 0 or 5 on the ones place. So 5 is out of our list. Let's go for 6. You can do that, right? You can divide 36 with 6. Yes, it's very easy. Yay. See, this is the list. It has, mashallah, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factors. 36 have 8 factors. Now let me know that. What do you think? 36 is a prime number or composite number? Comment in the comment section, okay, so that I can tell you. I'm giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, am I going fast? 3, and then 4, then 5. Yes, your time is up. 36 is a composite number. Don't forget that. Factors of 36 equal to, again, we are going to use U pattern. Starting from here, then right side, then up. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 6. And again 6. No, we are not going to write down 6 for 2 times. Factors considered for only 1 time. 6 into 6. We are going to take only 1 6 from here, okay? And then 12, 18, and 36 is off. Yay. This one is already done. I'm going to separate the math with a borderline and then let's go for 47. Remember one thing. If you feel like that, it is hard for you to see the copy. Okay, never ever forget that you can actually zoom. Okay, with the help of your finger, just I have told the other on my previous videos, but this one is new for you, so I'm telling you again. So you can just do your fingers like this, put it on the phone screen and make it like this. It's very easy. Let's try that again together. Let's try it. Put your both finger like this and pinch out. And if you feel like that you're going too far, then you can already pinch in to make it smaller. Right? It's fun, right? Yes. You can see the copy now very easily, I hope. Okay, so 47, right? We are counting with 47. Now tell me that 47 can be divided with 2? Is a odd number. Remember the rules. Only even number can be divided with 2. Not the odd numbers. Okay? Never ever. So I have told you the divisibility rule for 2. Okay? Divisibility rule for 2. Only even. Only what? Only even number can divide them. Don't forget that. And divisibility rule for 5. It has what? Okay, are you doing this with me? Have fun, okay? Have fun. Math is not boring. Never ever. It's actually fun work. So 5 is supposed to have what? 5 is supposed to have either 5 or 0 at the last digit. At the last digit, it's supposed to be 5 or 0. Then you can divide with 5. So you already know 2 divisibility rule from class 6. Okay? And it only makes your work easier. There are rules for 3 and also 4 and also other numbers, okay? So if you want to know more from me, then please let me know. I'm going to tell you more on the next video, okay? So 47 cannot be divided with any other numbers. It makes what? Is it a composite number or prime number? It is actually a prime number, right? 1 and 47. So, in this page, we have two prime numbers, two composite numbers. Okay, I want to discuss the relation between factors and multiples. Here's a cool secret about it. Multiples and factors are best friends. How? Right? If 4 is a factor of 12, okay, if 4 is a factor of 12, remember that thing, 12 is the multiples of 4, right? Let's say that again. If 8 is factors of 24, then 24 is one of the multiple of 8. Don't forget that. Okay? So, basically, they are opposite. Mind blowing, right? When I was starting the video, I already told you that from here, as you can see, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. All of them are multiples of what? 8. Multiples are supposed to be equal or bigger than the main number. Here, as you can see, the factors are basically equal or smaller than the main numbers. So, are not they, vice versa? Let's say that again. Let's try that again. Multiples are supposed to be equal or greater than the main number, but here factors are equal or smaller than the main number. They're having the opposite relations, okay? They're exactly opposite to each other, but they're also best friends. They have relation. They have relation like this, that 3 is a factor of 36, but 36 also a multiple of 3. Wow. It's amazing, right? Yes, it is. Thank you for watching today. This is all, and I'm going to come back on the next video having the lessons covered up by HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.